I asked my brother, Sean, to send me a big box full of makeup from Taobao. So he sent me so much stuff that he's actually got enough makeup for me to do a full makeup look out of. I'm gonna put all of this on my face now. Let's go. So the first product we've got, I'm pretty sure it's a face primer. Face makeup cleansing gel. Ooh, cleansing gel. See, that makes me think of like a face wash. Oh no. I'm gonna put it on and see what it feels like on my skin. Little blub. And just use my hands. It has sunk into my skin quite nicely though, which makes me think maybe a primer. So I'm gonna keep this on as a primer, but it could be a face wash. Next up, we've got this foundation, I believe. It came with this sponge. I'm gonna wet this sponge and see how it performs compared to my usual. Oh no! Oh no! Don't push too hard because you're gonna get it all over yourself. You right? What are you doing? Oh, the dog's just like looking at me. I'm like, Mum, what are you doing? Why are you putting that weird stuff on your face? This foundation is quite pretty. I'd say it's more like a natural medium coverage. I'm gonna put some more on my sponge and try and build it up to see if I can get it to more of a medium coverage. So yeah, this is definitely a buildable foundation, which is good because some people prefer like a natural foundation, but sometimes they want to go a bit heavier, so it's good. The sponge as well, I blended that foundation in quicker than my normal sponge. Obviously this has got a wider surface area than this one, but it like blends in a bigger area of my skin than this one. Concealer time! Oh. Well, it's definitely helped in covering up that spot. This one feels a bit more oily, a bit more sticky, like the Bye Bye Under Eye concealer that I have. But yeah, it has covered up my under eyes quite well. I do really like this powder that Floratis sent to me. I think it sets my makeup down really nicely. All done! I just remembered about these guys. I should have put these on under my powder really, but hey ho, it doesn't matter. These products really baffled me as to what they were for. Wish me luck. My finger or a brush? Oh no, I don't like it, I'm scared. Oh, that's alright actually, it's not bad. That doesn't actually look too bad. The one that I absolutely love the packaging of, like the triangle with the eye. I'm gonna use this one now for like my contour, like just to put over it. It's like one lighter shade and then a darker shade. So I'm just gonna sort of dip into all of them. I really like this as a contour colour actually. It's quite cool toned. I think I'd need to put a bronzer over the top. So I'm just gonna use some of that blush that I think is a blush. Ooh. I look like Noddy. I look too big for spots, I look like Noddy. It's quite peachy looking. Okay, so this really isn't my favourite. It's too bright for me. I have really tried to blend it down, so I'm just going to use my foundation sponge just to have it colour down a bit more. That's better. But I do have this e.l.f. highlighter blush duo. So I will use the blush from out of here and the highlighter because they both look quite nice. Yeah, I quite like this blush. I think it's cute. I hope that the highlighter performs just as well because you guys know how much I love highlighter. I love highlighter. Oh, yes, please. Oh, that's so nice. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. Definitely a fan of these. So my favourite part next, I'm going to be using the dark colour. I'm going to dip into a few of these shades and do a nice pretty look. I'm feeling the blues today and the purple because I was right. Sean did send me a different colour in the eyeliners. Obviously you've got the brown, the blue and the black. I'm also going to try and incorporate one of these Hedone eyeshadows. So I'm dipping into this one with a cute little paw print. It's like slightly darker than my skin tone, so it's like a nice sort of base colour really. And let's see what she can do. Ooh, so shimmery. So I'm gonna dip into brown as well, so it'll be like a blue. So it's looking very pretty at the moment, but very subtle. So I'm going to go ahead and try and do a little winged eyeliner with brown. So they're not perfectly matched, but I think I've done a pretty good job considering my eyesight. I'm going to put a little bit on my waterline as well. I'm going to pop some mascara on now. Wow, I like this mascara. I think it's really lengthened my eyelashes and it's got volume, but it doesn't make your eyelashes stick together. I think it's really pretty. So next I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil. I had my eyebrows waxed and tinted as well, by the way. You know, I went to the salon yesterday and had them. It's probably a little bit darker than I'd usually go, but yeah, they're quite nice. Finally guys, Sean sent over 2 lip glosses. They look pretty similar to be honest. This one's slightly darker than this one, and I'm just gonna pop it on my lips using the brush provided. The brush worked really well as well to sort of outline the shape of my lip, because I just feel more comfortable using a pencil, but the brush was really good. So yeah, this is the finished look. I have got a bit of fallout with like glitter under my eyes, so I probably use a glitter glue with pressed glitter in the palette. Overall, I think it turned out really pretty. I'm not going to keep it on though, because obviously I might have used products wrong. Like the primer could have been a face wash, so I might have needed to wash this off. Oh my god guys, my face is so oily. The face wash that I put on as a primer is slowly breaking down the makeup and is leaving my skin looking so oily. I don't feel any irritation or anything on my skin. Do you like mummy's eye look? What do you think of Taobao? That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did, especially unboxing all the makeup that Sean sent to me, because I literally had no idea what would be in there. I really hope you enjoyed watching. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Do you want to say bye? You say bye. Bye, guys.